Deepika, LKG teacher. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
My name is Kamala. I am UKG class teacher. Happy Children's Day.
I'm Sarnava from Peter International School. Hi children, happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Wish a happy Children's Day for all my wonderful buddies. Thank you.
Dear students, happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to our little stars who light up our lives with joy and innocence. Never stop your dreaming, never stop believing yourself. The future belongs to you. And once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் தமிழாசிரியை சீரஞ்சலி. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hi everyone, I'm Satya from Peter International School Grade 5. Happy Children's Day everyone.
Hi, this is Gayatri from Peter International School. Happy Children's Day to all my lovable kids. I wish let you all your dreams come true.
Wishing my wonderful students a very happy Children's Day. Work hard, stay focused and believe in yourself. All the best. Thank you.
Hello, my dears. Happy Children's Day. Learn with joy and play with happiness. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் பூர்ணிமா. நான் பீட்டர் சர்வதேச பள்ளியில் தமிழ் ஆசிரியராக பணிபுரிகின்றேன். இன்றைய மாணவர்கள் நாளைய நாட்டின் தூண்களாகிய உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தை தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
Hello, good morning everybody. Today we are celebrating Children's Day and I am wishing all the children a very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Good morning everybody. This is Michael from Peter International School. As we know that we are celebrating the Children's Day, I wish all the students in India and particularly PIS, Peter International School, I wish you an happy Children's Day. Let this day bring blessings and prosperity upon you all. And once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am V. Guru Anand, PT sir from Peter International School. Happy Children's Day.
Hi students, happy Children's Day. You would have seen all the teachers wishing you, and as you wished, today morning prayer was done by completely your teachers. I wish you would have enjoyed thoroughly. And now, do you want our teachers to dance? As per your wish, they have practiced. So, shall we see the dance along with me?